friends, my name is Aryan. Today we are going to make mug cake. First take a bowl and add all-purpose flour 3 tablespoons. Now add sugar 3 tablespoons. Mug. Now let's sprinkle Choco Chips. Now let's keep it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Now I am also ready to eat.